What's the meaning of central processing unit? Central processing unit. Central processing unit.
Central processing unit. Central processing unit. The central processing unit, CPU, is the primary component of a computer that performs most of the processing tasks. It is responsible for executing instructions and processing data, making decisions, and interacting with other hardware components. The CPU is sometimes referred to as the brain of a computer system, as it controls and coordinates the functions of all the other components. In summary, the CPU is the core element of a computer that handles all data processing tasks and ensures that the computer system runs smoothly and efficiently.